Hello there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Toolbox plugin to push parameter values from a linked model to a host model. It is the second part of the workflow actually. If you haven't watched the first one, you can watch the tutorial 04-Dynamo tutorial. And we need to push parameter values between the selected categories from the linked models. I'm going to be using Toolbox plugin and I'm going to push the parameters that we had filled out from the mass model into the host model, which is going to be my furniture Revit model. I'm going to use Toolbox from Reope. It's not a free plugin, but you can have it for a 30-day trial for educational matters like mine. I use also Revit 2023. However, before we jump into the Revit workflow, as a reminder, if you remember, we had created our mass model through a Dynamo script, and we transferred our parameters to this mass model. For the second part in this video, we are going to link the mass model into our models, which in this case would be my furniture model. And I'm going to use Toolbox plugin to push the parameters, parameter values from the mass model into the furniture. So let's jump to it. You remember we left off here having our masses generated and their parameters, parameter values are filled out. Alright, so we have this mass model already provided to be linked to the host model. So I'm gonna save this one and close it. Now in the host model, which is my furniture model, I have isolated all the furniture pieces at level 01. All right. And if I go in the visibility and graphic overrides, I have isolated just my furniture category here, as you can see. And I'm going to create a schedule of the furniture categories so that we can bring out our parameters, which were name, section number, and work breakdown 01 and 02. All right. Here I will have all the furniture pieces placed in my project. However, since we are working just at level 01, I'm going to add a level parameter to filter my level to be just level 01. All right, we can hide this one. All right. The next step actually is to going to linking our mass model to this model. Link manage, and I'm gonna add the mass model. Since this project, which is my personal project, they have shared coordinate system. Shared coordinate system, I'm going to choose by shared coordinates. All right. So in this view, I have to open my mass categories so that we can see the masses. Here we go. This is my mass model. You can rename the instances or work with the name of the type. It doesn't matter. Now we can activate our toolbox, and I'm going to activate parameter link. Basically here you have to create a JSON file. I have just created one, but let me create it from the scratch. I'm gonna rename this version 3. All right. Now we have to choose from which category we are pushing the parameter. Okay. However, before that, you have to add a task here. I'm going to choose my mass category, and here should be the furniture. All right. For the method, since we are dealing with the mass, I have to choose a solid. And for the furniture, it is working with projected location. And you can choose both link type name or an instance. I'm going to choose mass. And this is okay. There are some options here. You have to check them out if you want. I'm gonna leave this blank non-matching. And here we have to choose basically our parameters. So I'm gonna copy the parameters from 2. Section number to section number. And the last one. All right, now let's save it. Cool. I think we are all good to go. We have our parameters. We are pushing from the mass parameters to the furniture parameter. All right. So if I run, all right, let's click OK. Now, let's check this out. All right. I have all the parameters of every single piece of furniture filled out, as you can see, based on their location placed in the corresponding room, as you can see. And if I select the mass here, you see the same parameter. Let's check this out. For example, this one. Lobby office entrance. From the link model, we have lobby office entrance. Okay. And if I go to furniture schedule, I see all the parameters are filled out. All right, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.